Tell me when you recorded. Tell me when you recorded. Alright. Oh my god. Oh no, lightning. I'm just gonna hide in this building. Wait, oh, it's right there. Here, I'm gonna go. If lightning strikes me, I'm probably gonna cry. It definitely is. Oh no. No, no, run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. No, 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 no. Oh Lord. Wait, no. Help, help, help. I'm gonna go over here. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Okay, I'm not drowning anymore. Yeah, I was losing HP when I went inside the water. Oh, I see you. I'm gonna go over there. Wait, never mind. Oh, you're almost dead. You're almost dead. Run, run, run. Oh, oh. Dude, that guy's stuck. Don't go inside. Don't go inside. I feel bad for him. Go in. Oh, he's stuck too. Wait, wait, wait. I need to run. It's so close. Okay, it went the other way. I feel bad for those two guys. They're just stuck in the temple thing. I actually feel bad. Look at them. They're just spinning around. Spinning around. Wait, what? Wow. Okay, starting to clear out again. Safe to come out. Bro, I swear, a hurricane just sweeps in. We're all stuck. Wait, wait. Wait, jump on each other's head. Jump on. No! Wait. Wait. Stand here, stand here. Stand here and jump. Oh! That doesn't even make No! Wait. No. I I got points. Wait, you're VIP? Options? Browse shop items. 50 point. Ah, double trouble. Oh no, that's bad. Double trouble. What's that? Which one? Which map? Which map? Which map? City. Wait, what? Where are you? Where are you? Everyone's dead. How do I get this Welcome to Tornado Alley 2 thing? Oh, okay. No, we teleported. Oh, let's go, city. Where? My car. My car. Wait. Wait. What? Wait. No. See what? Wait. Are you dead? Right. Wait. I might die, cause I think this car is gonna like die. I mean, fly out too. Wait. I can kill people with this car. I can break people's bone. Oh, I see you. I see you. I'm not gonna stop crushing this guy till he dies. I just said die. I just said guy. My God. Oh, let's go. Wait, I'm gonna break people's bones. I don't know. I guess it got glitched. Bro, I can't control this car. It keeps going the wrong direction. I'm not clicking D or A. Alright, what Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna start wait, I'm gonna make sure everyone dies except for me. I'm gonna fly this car outside of the map. Wow. Okay. No, no, it didn't work. It didn't work. No, 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 help. Someone got in the car. Someone got in the car. Someone got in the car. No, move. No, no. Broken boneless. None. Okay, good. Yo, my brother's here. Wait, are you still recording? Alright. Turn your phone off. Why? It says turn your phone off.
Maybe he's watching Don Cena.
John Cena. Nice. Oh, Lord, it's right here. Wait, wait, wait,
What is that?
wait. The Twin Towers just got destroyed.
Wait, what is that?
The tornado, the tornado. South Towers.
Oh, watch that video.
Where is a tornado? Oh, yo, yo, yo. I just jumped off. I have a broken leg. I have a broken leg. Broken leg. No! No! Yo! Yo! I have a broken head, left leg, and everything else. Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm you stuck. I said
Um,
you're stuck.
wait, let's just go inside the tornado.
No, you need to die.
I'm gonna go inside the tornado.
Why?
I don't know.
So now you can put you in to make.
Yo, I just got what the? There's two tornadoes.
What the hell? You're bored.
There's two tornadoes. One tornado literally blew me into the other one.
No,
Wow.
touch the light one.
I can't touch the lightning, bro.
Why?
Yo, yo, the lightning just struck me. The lightning struck me. That's wow.
Turn the white one.
I don't know. It's
How is
weird.
it crashing still? It's crashing on the house. What happened to the car?
I'm gonna go inside the tornado. Wait, I'm going inside. Oh, I just got flung. Yo. Oh my god. Spectate. Oh, I'm spectating. I'm spectating. You're gonna die. Yeah, there is. There are some. Yeah. Right. Wait, I'm still spectating. You're just under a brick. Yo, what is that? Hurricane. 143 seconds. 140 seconds.
What happened?
All right. Wait. Rip. All right, I'm gonna go now.